What's up, guys? Are you trying to get the horn working on your Ford Explorer? I've got a 2004 here. I'm going to use it to show you the location of the fuse and the relay. So make your way under the hood. It's going to be in this box right here. That is the relay for the horn. You can swap it around with another relay, but whatever you do, don't swap it with this one, as that is the fuel pump relay. You may want to swap it with this, which is the AC compressor clutch relay. As far as the fuse goes, the horn fuse is right there. So yeah, check those two things out. What you can do is put your finger on this and see if you feel it clicking when someone is actually pushing the horn in the vehicle. If you hear this clicking, then you know that the horn switch on the steering wheel is working, and you know that the relay is also being engaged. If you swap relays around and no matter what, you can't get this to click when someone is actually pushing on the horn button, you may have an issue with the clock spring, a broken clock spring, or the horn switch itself. Just some troubleshooting steps there. And then again, the horn itself could be bad too. So you can check to see if you're getting voltage at the horn. But yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.